Can Apecoin reach $100? Math explained. Hey there guys, and welcome to the crypto world. Before we start with this video, let us tell you about today's sponsor, Gate.io. Now, for those of you who don't know Gate.io, Gate.io is a platform to which protect your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and low funds to add extra protection for the users. Using Gate.io, you'll be able to trade, buy, earn, and stay up to date with everything around crypto. We will leave a link in the description for you. With that being said, please do remember that this video is not financial advice, so before investing any money, please do your own research. And now, to the video. In today's video, we will be talking about can Apecoin hit $100? I'll use quantitative data to try to convey my market understanding. First and foremost, you will quickly discover what this number 294,117 means. Apecoin is currently trading at roughly $11.90, and exchanges have reported a massive volume of $8 billion in less than 24 hours. I'd like to discuss what it implies. What is the significance of volume in such coins? What effect does volume have? Volume equals profit. By the way, this is the last item on my list. You must think very simply. When there is volume, the stock markets earn money. Money is crucial, but it isn't the only factor. Today, I'll discuss this with you so that you may grasp it quickly. As you may be aware, the popular coin, it can be discussed everywhere in the national media, on television, and among people. Apart from the commissions, talking about this allows new clients to flock to the exchanges. As a result, you can ask me, what do you mean? I mean, we've had this happen before with Doge. Exchanges do not want coins with such high volumes to decline in value, because as it drops, the interest rate drops as well. There is a well-known fact that when Bitcoin is worth $1,000, there is just one person in line, and when Bitcoin is worth $6,000, there is a line. This mindset is well known in the exchanges. They collect and use data to obtain user experience. They want the hoopla surrounding these coins to develop because it will bring in more clients and commissions to the exchanges. It was $7 billion in 24 hours when I calculated it. Trading volume of $7 billion means you purchased and sold $7 billion in USD, BUSD, and other currencies. As a result, I've divided the trade volume by 2. It generates $3.5 billion in revenue. Given that, a stock exchange receives a 1 per 1,000 commission on average. Why did I split it in half? You pay a commission in the currency. You pay it when you buy something. You pay an Ape commission when you sell something. If we take the average commission received by a stock exchange and divide it by the amount of Ape 294,117, we get every day Apes accrue in the exchanges. As a result, during these periods of market mania, exchange markets may even buy Ape from the market instead of releasing it. In the backdrop, there's... You would think I'm working on a screenplay, but this is what I've come up with so far. Because no stock market wants a project with so much hype and publicity to fail. In actuality, the major game and big players in the background are these. Now, on the second section. Is there a chance that this coin's supply will run out soon? According to Coinomics, the circulation supply is 277,500,000 coins. As a result, there will be no supply anytime soon. The only thing worth nothing here are the ones that haven't been claimed. We can see that 36 million coins in the unclaimed sum have yet to be claimed by NFT holders. In other words, 36 million of this present 277 million are still available for purchase because they have not been claimed. The procedure is frequently the same. It's just basic math and a little bit of fundamental analysis. You should investigate Dogecoin. They had Doge ranked in the top 10. Doge, in my opinion, should not be in power top 10 or maybe top 13. There may be many people who disagree with me. Shiba is another example. Shiba should not be the 50th coin in my opinion. We will be able to make these arguments for you once we have a better understanding of this work. As a result, it is neither my nor your opinion. It is vital to consider how this market operates. So much has changed from the past to the present. Many things had altered when a coin entered the market just last week and generated 8 billion volumes. A coin with a current market value of $4 billion. I'm talking about market value here. I only mentioned the volume. The present market value of $4 billion makes me think. They'll most likely get it into the top 15, which is roughly $12 billion. So, to be clear, the markets do not want Ape to decline in those terms, because that coin needs to increase a little in order to reclaim its lost reputation. I believe this aspect is also critical in winning the love of at least a portion of the population. Almost everyone lately purchased this at a high level to ensure that they warm up again. Finally, I'll make a comment. Ape is becoming more popular. Because Ape is going public on new stock exchanges, we pray for God's help since these coins are telling me this throughout the entire chain of events. Money cannot be changed, but they can change the trajectory of your money in some way. How would I respond? My viewpoint has already been expressed. It could go even further. It is logical for me to avoid trading in a coin that I believe is so hazardous and target it. Guys, I don't have to buy it since strange things are happening. You reason you don't buy, but it triples. What options do I have? If it concerns you, you can buy it with 5% or 10% of your money so that you are not worried. I don't want to overlook the problems. There have been 166,000 tweets regarding the Apecoin. It's clear that this is meant to be broadcast on the news. It will be kept on the news and the exchanges will continue to trade volume, which will bring not just commission but also news. It will bring in new clients. I was about to say something similar. After all, this is a NFT project's coin. The NFT markets will be resurrected. NFTs will resurrect. These are all new people. This is the fundamental analysis. Don't be surprised if the Apecoin rises above $100 in the next few days. Can Apecoin go beyond the $100 barrier? Apecoin is predicted to give investors large percentage profits in 2022 and beyond. In this piece, we examine how rapidly Apecoin could reach $100 or higher in the next few years. Apecoin is unlikely to reach $100 in 2022, according to our analysts, fundamental and technical research. Experts predict that if Ape reaches this milestone in 2022, the token's next price milestone will be $500. In this scenario, 300 million apes multiplied by $100 is roughly $30 billion. Apecoin's price could skyrocket if Grayscale or other large volume traders decide to invest in the token in the future. Crypto continues to gain public recognition as some countries embrace the idea of digital currency being utilized in everyday life. Many experts believe Bitcoin will reach $100,000 in 2022 after Ukraine raised more than $50 million in Bitcoin donations, and regular Russians embraced cryptocurrencies in the aftermath of the ruble's depreciation. The case for Apecoin to hit $100. By 2024, analysts and investors want to know if Apecoin can hit $100. The focus will move to the next likely Ape milestone once this point is reached. Examine the estimates of analysts and professionals from some of the most preeminent cryptocurrency news and forecasting websites to acquire a better grasp of pricing patterns in 2024. According to price prediction, Apecoin will have an average price of $37.9, a minimum price of $36.55, and a maximum price of $45.26 by the end of 2024. Apecoin's price is expected to reach $45 on the last day of 2024, according to Changelly's experts. Ape might trade at a normal price of $27.996, a minimum price of $23.7966, and a maximum price of $32.1954, according to Gov.Capital's estimate. The unique token that powers the Apecoin ecosystem might trade for an average price of $63.50, a low $60.54, or a high of $66.41, according to experts at Digital Coin Price. Apecoin's price is estimated to be $17.415 on average, $15.025 on the low end, and $19.87 on the high end, according to wallet investor specialists. As previously stated, Apecoin's chances of reaching $100 in 2024 are slim. As the first cryptocurrency inspired by non-fungible tokens, Apecoin has a competitive advantage: NFTs. With time, a flood of different tokens backed by diverse digital assets is predicted. Apecoin will receive greater liquidity before other currencies are examined due to its position in the space as a crypto trading asset, similar to how investors choose Bitcoin and Ether. As a result, the real worth of the Apecoin cryptocurrency effort will only be revealed over time. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on to the next video. Until then, take care.